Hello beautiful, and welcome to my channel. I am so excited to announce to you guys today that next week on the 22nd of January at 1 p.m. your favorite Antwa Beauty and I are going live. Guys, put this on your calendar. Who is Antwa Beauty? Let me tell you. Antwa Beauty is Pauline. She is the owner of Antwa Beauty, okay? This woman is a loc guru. She's a master cosmetologist. She is the coach. She's a mother. She's a business owner. She is a woman who puts her time into growing other locticians. Not only does she help them to start their business, she mentors. So she has a mentoring program where if you have taken a loc course, you don't know how the journey of interlocking and lock goes, she teaches you that. If you want to learn how to self-tie or self-retie, self-retightening, she teaches that. She has a big entrepreneurship conference that's coming up in March. She's like the organizer and host of that. It's called the Lockpreneur Experience. That's coming up in March. This woman is busy. So the fact that I could get her to get with us and give us some of her time, I am so excited, guys. So just want to give y'all a heads up. Next week, January 22nd at 1 p.m., Antwa Beauty and I are going live, and we're going to be talking about hair care, loc care, winter loc care. We're going to be talking about her experiences and where she got her ideas from, how she was so empowered to help other loc entrepreneurs to start their business, to grow their business and make money, profitable money. She's based in Georgia and she's doing her thing. She has about over 30,000 followers on YouTube. She has over 17,000 followers on Instagram. She is sought after, and she has her own line of hair care, shampoo, spray, you name it. So of course, your girl, I had to check her out, right? I've been following her for about over a year. I didn't reach out to her until later. I just wanted to see what she was about. I was so inspired by what she does that honestly, I was intimidated. I feel like, is this how much work goes into this loc business? But you know what? As a beginner, the best person to go to is the person who has figured it out, right? It's not getting scared of, oh, I got to do all this work. Why not? Do the work, because it pays off. I look at her and how established, how great she's doing, and I want that for myself. And so she's been so gracious. She's going to join us live to talk about how to grow your business, how to become a loctician, how to be comfortable with, after you've taken your loc courses, how to be comfortable with the business, how to know when the process of the interlocking, how you can educate your clients, and how you can be comfortable with what you're doing. So this is her product that I ordered, and this is good for the winter hair care, right? So I ordered this and I've tried it on my hair since last week. I absolutely love it, and I'm going to try it in front of you guys. So again, show up in your numbers next Tuesday, January 22nd, 1 p.m. y'all. I will see you in my next video. I appreciate you. I love you. Okay? Take care of yourself.